Wireless connection is also a simple step. Turn on the remote control switch, the blue light will flash and enter pairing mode. Turn on your phone, iPhone or Android, search for AB Shutter 3 device and connect it. After the pairing is successful, blue light will go off. Just turn on your camera, press the button to take pictures. The battery model this uses is a CR2032. And finally, after setup, you can now use your phone either in selfie mode or just tripod mode. Using the remote shutter is a very easy deal also. It's a very simple step. First thing that you're gonna do is you have to turn on the remote control switch, this one, turn it on. And you're gonna see the blue light. There's a blue light right here on top, which is gonna flash and then it's gonna enter pairing mode. Let's go. That's it, pairing mode. Then you go to your cell phone. Now we turn on our cell phone. It can be, Android or iPhone, and go to Bluetooth and search for AB Shutter, and then we connect to it. That's it, pair. After the pairing is successful, you can see there is no blue light. And that's it. It's very easy. You just press this button here and take a picture. So let me just show you. Let's say we want to take a picture of this. And just snap. Ready? Done. If we come here, you're gonna see that's your marker. Same thing also goes for video. You can do that also for video. Go for video and then press this and it starts recording. Very easy.